Hello Tech Finders. In this video, we are going to talk about one of the largest and most constantly evolving industries today, the mobile phone industry. There is no doubt that mobile phones have changed our lives in one way or another, from the way we communicate to the way we browse the web and use apps. But behind every device is a complex web of manufacturers, suppliers, distributors, and, of course, competitors, all fighting to stand out and win over consumers. Currently, companies such as Apple, Samsung, Huawei, and Xiaomi lead the mobile phone market. Each of these companies has their own strategies to differentiate themselves from the competition and attract consumers. For example, Apple focuses on creating a closed ecosystem in which its devices and services integrate seamlessly, thereby increasing customer loyalty and service revenue. Samsung, on the other hand, offers a wide range of devices of different price points and specifications, allowing them to reach a wider audience. Huawei, a Chinese company, has a strong presence in its local market and has been investing heavily in research and development of cutting-edge technology. Finally, Xiaomi, another Chinese company, focuses on offering devices with excellent value for money, which has helped them gain popularity in emerging markets such as India and Latin America. When it comes to product differentiation, companies often highlight features like camera, processor performance, battery life, and screen quality. If we talk about the manufacture of these devices, it can be a complex and expensive process. Smartphones require more than 60 different materials to make, including rare metals and other non-renewable resources that are mined around the world. Broadly speaking, the process can be divided into the following stages. 1. Design. The first stage is the design of the product. The design teams of the companies work to create an innovative design that is attractive to consumers. 2. Manufacture of the motherboard. The motherboard is the brain of the device and is manufactured in a specialized factory. The motherboard contains the processor, memory, connection circuitry, and other essential components. 3. Screen manufacturing. Screens are manufactured in specialized factories that use advanced production techniques to create increasingly thinner and higher resolution screens. 4. Assembly of components. Once the motherboard and the screen have been manufactured, we proceed to the assembly of the other components of the device, such as the camera, the battery, the speakers, the buttons, and other components. 5. Testing and quality control. Once the device has been assembled, it undergoes rigorous testing to ensure proper function and product quality. It is verified that the battery lasts long enough, that the screen has good visibility, that the buttons work correctly, among other aspects. 6. Packaging and distribution. Once the manufacturing and testing process is complete, the device is packaged and shipped to distributors for sale to the public. In addition, the manufacturing process of mobile devices also releases a large amount of toxic gases and harmful chemicals into the atmosphere and water. These chemicals can be harmful to health and the environment, which can have a long-term impact on the environment and human health. Despite these negative impacts, the mobile phone industry continues to grow at a rapid rate. Industry-leading companies are not only competing to offer the best products, but also to get consumers to buy new devices more often. Each year, these companies release new models with improved features and more sophisticated designs that entice consumers to buy their latest products. However, many tech companies are working hard to address the environmental impact of the production and disposal of their devices. They are using more sustainable materials in the manufacture of their devices, such as recycled plastics and plant-based materials. They are also working to increase the lifespan of their devices by introducing more accessible software updates and repairs. But the drama does not end there. Competition in the mobile phone industry is fierce and companies are constantly innovating to stay on top. Success in the industry is not only about offering the best products, but also about getting consumers to buy new devices more often. To measure, as companies release new models every year, consumers often feel pressured to keep up and buy the latest model. In conclusion, the mobile phone industry is complex and constantly evolving. While these devices have changed our lives in many ways, it's also important to consider their environmental impact and how companies are working to address these issues. In the end, each of us as consumers can make a decision: